Good afternoon, Coryell's class. And good afternoon to some of Amundson's class. Today we were working on 5.2 multiplying mixed numbers. Can you multiply mixed numbers?
Yes.
Alrighty. The I can statement, I can multiply mixed numbers. Factors. What do factors help us do, everybody?
Reduce fractions.
Great. Mixed numbers now are numbers that have a whole number and a
Fraction part.
What is crazy or what is different about improper fractions that make them improper? The numerator is bigger than the denominator, right? Cool. And around the world, we know what that is. Solving products of mixed numbers. Okay, here we go. You must always convert mixed numbers to improper fractions before solving. Yes or no?
Yes.
On the count of 3, together, we're all going to say this again. On the count of 3, together. 1, 2, 3.
You must fraction convert mixed numbers to improper fractions before solving.
Every single time, right?
Yes.
Doesn't matter if you're adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. You need to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions to solve. Yes?
Yes.
How do you solve fraction products? Go.
Numerator times denominator, denominator times denominator.
And then we learned that you never, ever, ever find common denominators when you're doing what?
Multiplying fractions.
Sweet. All right, so when we're multiplying fractions, we just simply multiply the top 2 numbers, get 8, yes? The bottom 2 numbers get 15 here, right?
Yes.
Done. That's it, yes?
Yes.
Do we find common denominators when multiplying fractions?
No.
Absolutely not. If you're multiplying mixed numbers, what must you always convert them into?
Improper fractions.
You must convert them into improper fractions. So once you get your 2 improper fractions, it's pretty simple. You multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, right?
Yes.
Is it okay? I'm going to slide down to this one. Is it okay? So if we have a number like 6 3/9, is it okay to reduce this part of the mixed number?
No. Yes.
Can you reduce 3/9 before you actually start solving?
Yes.
Yes. It looks like we did not do it here, but you can reduce the fraction part of a mixed number early. Yes or no?
Yes.
Always okay to do. Is it better to reduce earlier in the problem or later in the problem?
Earlier.
Why?
Because it makes it easier.
It makes the numbers easier and smaller, right? We good?